You want a blush that would stay all day long. This is, konting ganun ko lang, grabe siya. Yung totoo po, yung product ninyo panghabang buhay gagamit. Hi guys, this is Anakay, beauty vlogger, and I'm here to give you makeup tips to keep your skin fresh and glowing in under 10 minutes. I'll be starting off with some skincare, and it's important to put sunscreen and moisturizer on your face before any makeup. So this is the Intuit BB Whip. It has a primer, moisturizer, and sunblock in one. Since I already have my base on, I'm just going to show you a swatch. This is very easy to blend because you only need a tiny bit. What I like about this product is that it's very easy to blend. You won't be needing any makeup tool pag nagmamadali ka sa umaga. It's a skincare and a makeup product in one. I'll be using this Intuit Brow Powder in Smoky Brown. This has a very different applicator as the usual applicators for the brows. I'm just doing some brush strokes to apply the product, filling in my brows. Ang galing no, ang bilis na i-apply. Pati ako humanga ako. Habang nag-apply ako, as you can see guys, ang bilis ko siyang na-apply with this applicator. At first, I thought mahirap siyang i-apply with this one. Pero ayan o, it's pigmented. And then, no makeup tool needed, yung kasama na lang sa product. For the blush naman, we have two options. So this is the Intuit Sheer Matte Blush in the shade Berry. And then Intuit's Cream Blusher in the shade Blush. I prefer cream blushers pag wala akong base or foundation. But this is nice kasi madali siyang i-blend. But since I already have my base and powder on, I'll be using this Sheer Matte Blush in the shade Carnation. I'll be showing you a swatch. As you can see, super pigmented. You want a blush that would stay all day long. And ang maganda dito, even our weather is humid, hindi siya agad matatanggal. Going for the lips naman, I did a swatch earlier ng available na shades. And I'm leaning towards this Venus shade. These are the Intuit Pearly Liquid Mattes. Again, this is in the shade Venus. And then I'll be applying with this Doe Foot One applicator. I picked this coral shade because it complements my skin tone, and as you can see while it's drying, you can observe na meron siyang frosted finish on the lips. If you want something that's fresh and glowy, you may want to avoid something that's too matte on the lips, plus it does not feel heavy. After everything, we can now set our face with this mineral setting mist from Intuit. It hydrates and sets our makeup, so what we'll do is just spray a couple of spritzes on our face, and then let it dry. It's nice because you can also use this throughout the day just to refresh your makeup and also to hydrate your skin. It's also up to you if you want to add more for that dewy look. While I'm letting this dry, guys, this is a nice makeup bag staple. Yung throughout the day, you can just spray it when your face feels dehydrated, and you can also refresh your makeup with just a couple of spritzes. So here's the finished makeup look, guys. Something that's fresh and glowy and can be achieved in under 10 minutes.